Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, Programming with VJ. In this video we are going to see about switch case, use switch case in different ways, and also how to print debug message in colors. Please subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed. Let us go into the video. In this section we are going to see how we can use switch cases in different ways. Right-click in project folder, create C# script. Attach C# script to any of the game object in hierarchy. Open the script in Visual Studio. Clear all pre-written code. Create one public variable int. Create a update method. In the update method, put one if and check if right mouse button is pressed or not. We can create a switch block. To create a switch block, type switch and in the bracket, put the variable you want to check. For now I am putting the int variable n. In the switch block we can check cases. In each case we can check the condition. Here we are checking if n is 1 in first case. In second case we are checking n is 2. So we print some message in console for each condition. For that we can print each message in different color. So I am writing function for that. To do that type debug.log and in the brackets, add the tag's color. In the opening of tag we can mention the color after the equal to ends. After the color parameter, add the message we want to show. In the end close the color tag. In each cases we can set the debug message and colors. For first case I am printing 1. In second case I am printing 2. Why default is used means, for example if it is not both 1 and 2 then the default block will be executed, its debug message. Switch to Unity. And press play. If the n value in the inspector 1, and we press the right mouse button it will print 1. If the n value 2 it will print 2. If it is not both then it will print message. Turn off the play and switch to Visual Studio. We can also use logical operators to check the condition. We can see that. We can check whether the value greater than 1 or not. Put one temp int variable, and put when t is greater than 1. T will be the value of n in this case. And then set the debug message. Same for below also we are checking t lesser than 1 or not. In default block if it is nor both then it will be executed. Switch back to Unity. Test all the condition by changing the n value in inspector. We can also check condition in other way. We can check multiple cases in one line and we can execute. We are checking whether the n value 1 or 3 in one line. But executing the same debug message instead of putting two cases in different blocks. Switch back to Unity. Click play. Test all the condition by changing the n value. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Please give a like to this video, each like will motivate me. Click on bell icon to get notification when new videos is uploaded. If you have doubts or queries please tell in comment section.